In April 2024, the three newly built three-dimensional warehouses, Class A warehouses and hardware warehouses at TIANSHI Group's Yangzhou factory were officially put into use. Among them, the modern three-dimensional warehouse, with a construction area of 3,245 square meters, not only brings a qualitative improvement to the company's warehousing capabilities, but also significantly improves the efficiency and accuracy of cargo management. It is an important step for TIANSHI Group to promote its intelligent and automated strategy. The three-dimensional warehouse is well designed and adopts a series of advanced automated warehousing technologies. The interior is equipped with multiple rows of high shelves and efficient stacker equipment to ensure that goods can be stacked safely and orderly. And to achieve quick access to goods, the warehouse also introduced automation equipment such as shuttle racks and AGV shuttles, which greatly improve the automation level and operating efficiency of the warehouse. In addition, TIANSHI has established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with a number of well-known logistics companies to ensure that goods can be delivered to customers quickly and intact. The three-dimensional warehouse of TIANSHI Yangzhou factory will become an important engine for providing customers with efficient and high-quality services.